brutal murder of a young college student has sent shockwaves across the country, but a big political showdown on the ground. The Bharatiya Janata Party in opposition is charging at the Congress party that is in the government in Karnataka, and the state unit BJP has called for a statewide protest today over the murder of Neha Hireman. BJP National President JP Nadda met the family of the girl last evening and accused the state government of deliberately being soft on anti-social elements and of portraying the incident as personal reasons simply. Nadda has said if the state cannot handle the probe, they must give it to the CBI. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah reiterated that he had given clear instructions to the cops to probe and nab the accused at the earliest and punish them. He also slammed BJP, saying parties taking advantage of such sensitive issues and creating communal problems in the state. Karnataka has been rocked by a series of incidents, remember, raising questions over law and order, and BJP is all guns blazing over this.
जो माताजी ने जिस तरीके से घटना का वर्णन किया है, यह दिल दहला देने वाली घटना है। मुझे जो वक्तव्य मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धारमैया जी का सुनने को मिला और जो वक्तव्य मुझे गृह मंत्री जी परमेश्वरम जी का मिला, वह अत्यंत ही आपत्तिजनक है। उसकी भी जितनी निंदा की जाए वह कम है। यह वक्तव्य तुष्टीकरण से ओतप्रोत होकर एक तरीके से तुष्टीकरण की प्रकाष्ठा है। यदि स्टेट पुलिस असमर्थ है तो मैं सरकार को कहूंगा, प्रदेश को, कि वो सीबीआई को हैंडल करे।
तुष्टीकरण के कारण ही चाहे फैयाज नाम हो और चाहे इस्लाम नाम हो और चाहे सलमान नाम हो, उन लड़कियों का दोष क्या था जिसे कर्नाटक में चाकू से गोद दिया। वहां की सरकार मूक दर्शक बनी है। ये तो ममता बनर्जी के राज में ये सारे चीज होते रहे हैं। अब कर्नाटक बंगाल से टपना चाहती है। ये देश इसे बर्दाश्त नहीं करे।
Get issues should not be, political parties should not take advantage of this issue. The political BJP is known for it. They are taking the issues as political issue.
This is a complete even lapse from the institutional side also. So I have instructed the DC to send the notice to every institution, not only Hubli, the 31 district DC. I am going to send the notice to all the DC, to send the notices to every institution, to send them what precautions, what safety measures do they have for the students and women who are studying. If anybody just come, throw the acid, anybody comes, kill in the compound of the premises, how can this happen? Is this only minting money for you all?
जिस प्रकार से कर्नाटका में कानून व्यवस्था पूर्ण तरीके से ध्वस्त हो चुकी है, वोट बैंक की सुरक्षा कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार और इंडिया अलायंस की सरकार के लिए ज्यादा जरूरी है, महिला सुरक्षा नहीं। इसलिए पिछले कुछ दिनों में 8 से 10 ऐसी घटनाएं हो चुकी है। नेहा तो कांग्रेस के ही कार्यकर्ता और नेता की बेटी है। अगर कांग्रेस के नेता की बेटी कर्नाटका में सुरक्षित नहीं है तो आपकी और आम आदमी की बेटियां कैसे सुरक्षित होंगी? और कांग्रेस अपने नेता के परिवार के साथ खड़े होने के बदले उस अपराधी के साथ वोट बैंक के चक्कर में साथ में दिखाई देती है।
ಲವ್ ಜಿಹಾದ್ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ದೂರ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು ಆಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅವನು ಹುಡುಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನೋವಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಷಾದವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸತ್ಯ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಡಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸತ್ಯ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Sagai Raj joining me for the latest on that. Sagai, good morning. It's such a horrific incident and we understand because it has communal overtones also. What is the situation right now? How is the government saying that they have taken all steps to ensure that the accused will be punished. But why is the BJP going after the Congress party, saying this is clearly law and order that's gone down in the state?
If you notice that there are series of incidents which have been reported in the state of Karnataka, whether it Nagarthpet Hanuman Chalisa,
Yes.
or whether it is Jai Shri Ram in Vidyaranyapura, or case of Neha in Hubballi. So the BJP is trying to take political advantage over this ahead of Lok Sabha election. They want to portray that the Congress law and order situation in the state of Karnataka is not good, and the Congress is not dealing with law and order situation properly. So they are trying to set a narrative against the Congress. On the other side, Congress is also giving fodder to them, where the statement of the Chief Minister as well as the Home Minister Parmeshwar, who had addressed the media, have made insensitive statement where they said that much before the investigation even could get over, they had mentioned that they were in a mutual relationship. But if you also notice, the police commissioner of Hubballi, Renuka Sukumar, who also spoke to the media, she has also categorically mentioned that they know each other from a long time, they studied together, and there were also video which has been surfaced on the social media that they were been together. Even those people who had put out those videos have already been arrested, taken into custody, saying that they are trying to hurt the sentiments. The political twists and turns will take over on these kind of cases, where one party would like to take political advantage, on the other party is trying to defend the law and order situation in the state of Karnataka.
All right, Sagai, please keep tracking all the latest coming in. It's a developing story. We'll continue to see what happens in this case.